This is Jason's Electronics Repair. Welcome to my ER. We are going back to a slightly different format. We are going to do a bench update, and I'm going to do more of a blog style thing. I got the webcam. We're going to talk here. But for the first part, here's what's coming up. I have 3 Nintendo Switches here that I got, all paid the exact same price, and they were $90. They all have damaged charge ports. They haven't been opened, at least from what I can tell, they haven't been opened. I just did a quick visual examination. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to stream one of these. I'm going to vlog style one of these over 3 videos for content, and then I'm just going to fix one in one longer video. And I'm going to come back in 3 months after they're all released and check to see how they did views wise, sub wise, and if they made any money. I'm not really worried about they make any money, but I want to see what does better, because it seems like ever since I started going away from the vlog style videos, I started dipping in subscribers and views and things. So I'm going to go back to the vlog style and see if you guys like that. So we're going to start with this bench update. And then I have a Learn to Fix Phones series coming out where I'm teaching myself to fix phones. We're going to do reballing and, stencil work. I got some tools coming on the way. I got hot plates. I got stencils. I got board holders, all kinds of stuff to mess around with these iPhones. Hopefully, I have another YouTuber sending me some boards to work on to get some practice. I got the bench basically where I want to get it. I'm going to do the bench tour here soon. It's very crowded, and it's not as tidy as I would like it to be. But that's going to do it for this quick little bench update. We're going to keep it under 3 minutes. If you guys want to be a member to the channel and get early access to my videos, you can do that. The link's in the description. You can also support the channel through a PayPal donation that's in the description. And you can visit my Patreon page where I teach electronics, basic electronics and troubleshooting. This is more of a repair focus, but the videos I post on Patreon are only on Patreon, and they are electronics basics, and going over the basics of diode mode reading, short detection, injecting voltage, all that good stuff. So check it out. Links are all in the description. Also, links to all my equipment on my bench is in the description. They are affiliate links, and they do help out the channel. Thank you guys so much, and I hope everyone has a fantastic day.